Are you hungry? Do you want dinner? Do you want a quick, fast, easy dinner? Let's see if we can make hot dogs in the air fryer, shall we? We're going to need a couple ingredients. But let's get ready. Remember? For this recipe, we're going to use some bun-length hot dogs and some Nature Owns perfectly crafted brioche-style buns. For this, we're going to need to preheat our air fryer for 400 degrees, and these are going to cook for 4 minutes. Once our air fryer is preheated, we will add the hot dogs. For this experiment, we will try 4. Make sure they're evenly distributed, like so. After 2 minutes, we'll want to make sure we rotate them. That's what we have to do when we cook in the air fryer. So I don't know if we need to do it for hot dogs, but we're going to do it anyway. Like so. This is how they come out. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, I'm not going to eat just hot dogs. Hold on, I got you. What we're going to do here is preheat our oven, or air fryer, for 400 degrees for 2 minutes. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab our hot dog buns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab our hot dogs and put them in the buns. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play Jenga so that they all fit in there. After a minute, we'll check them. There's really no color. We're starting to get a little texture in there. Let's throw them in for another minute. Those look pretty good. But are they good? We must try them, shall we? It gave the bread some good texture. All in the air fryer. If this helped, if you could leave a like and a comment and subscribe, that would help a lot. About 90% of people that see my videos do not subscribe. Have a great night and wonderful eating.